Hey, welcome back. James here again, web developer for 19 years. Thanks for joining me at SucceedOnline.Us. I am going to continue the WordPress tutorial series that I have started. Today we're going to cover WordPress posts, which are essentially a WordPress page, but it is designed into the system of WordPress to allow comments. Ultimately, what you can do with a post is, your pages will create about us, your home page, your contact page, things like that. Your static pages are going to stay there. The posts are your blog section. This is where you're constantly adding new content that is of value to your audience. We're going to touch on a fear or an aspiration. We're going to come up with topics that are valuable to people that they can relate to. We want to talk about a struggle. How it was a trouble for us, how we discovered a solution, and here is the solution, etc. Much like my blog here, my video solution for those of you that don't know much about WordPress and want to get started simple and free, you can offer something like this, and you can do it in the post format, which is your WordPress blog. That's the core of what WordPress was developed as. In later tutorials, I'll discuss some options. You'll find comment spam. There's those robots running around filling out comments with links back to their website. That used to work. It doesn't anymore, but they still do it. We'll cover how to avoid all that at some point too. So let's get started. We're going to go. This is the demo website that we've been working on. Remember, we did the About Us section down here in the last video. So we want to go to our WordPress admin. And we want to log in, and once the dashboard loads here on the left, you'll notice post. It's the same thing as we did with pages. When you hover, it pops out. The difference here is you can create categories, which helps, say I'm doing this one about WordPress. This would be a WordPress category. The actual post would be about post. You can do tags. Tags are useful, but they're essentially keywords that display on the page that cover a topic. Say WordPress post would be a tag, and then any of my blog articles that are related to that would pop up. It's a cool feature also. So to create a post, first thing we want to do is we're going to look at all posts. WordPress comes with Hello World as a standard sample post, and I have that open here in another tab. And this is what a post looks like on the web page. Now your theme may look different. Obviously all the themes are different, but essentially the post is right here. Posted on the date by the author, and you can also set it differently to display differently. So over here on the right, you'll see recent comments, which is our this is a comment here that someone has replied. This was in the sample still, but yeah, this is a post, this is a comment. Someone can leave a reply or comment here. They'll need to put in their name, email, and web address. And then over here on the left, or right, I'm sorry, you'll see uncategorized. That's the standard category. All of your posts will go into that category unless you choose to set it otherwise. So let's show you how to make a post. When we get here, the same thing as we did with pages, you can do add new here, you can do add new here, and you can also do it from the top of the screen on any WordPress page. Oh, we're not logged in on that version. Let's refresh. And you'll see, once again, the dashboard stays on the live website if you are logged in, so we could do new post. And you'll see here, since this is a post, there's an option to edit directly from the live screen also. Alright, so we want to do add new. Let's choose, the topic is going to be WordPress post. And then we'll grab some information. You know what? I'm going to change the topic because I've got a different article already up. This is one that's already live on my blog, so we'll just throw that in here. This one is reasons why. Oh wow, I grabbed way too much information there. Let's go back. Sorry about that. Alright, there we go. Network marketing, direct sales, top 3 reasons why people are not successful. It's a cool article. I think it is. I've got some great feedback. You might want to take a look at that in my blog also. But in the meantime, we're going to highlight all. Remember the Control A or Alpha shortcut. Control C, Charlie, copy. We're going to go back to the post and we're going to paste it in. Now here's one reason I want to show you. I copied the title also, but when you fill out the title up here, not only is this going to be part of your URL if you choose setting that way. We don't have it set that way by default. But this is going to show your H1 tag or your heading tag, your headline in your post. So we want to delete this. You can highlight and delete, and there we go. So we have copied all the information over. The images did not come with it. I didn't have images in that Word document. We can add an image like I showed you with a page, the exact same thing. Just for, since it's already here, let's do my picture. Remember, once again, you can click on it to align left, align right, put it in the center, which would put it on its own line, and we'll go back to left. And that's it. We have created a post. Now I want to show you a couple other things before we publish and preview. Over here is the category. It defaults to uncategorized. We want to add a new category. We're going to call the category WordPress. Oh wait, we changed that. Let's do network marketing. And I left out a letter. Okay, so that's the new category for this particular post. You'll see that it's checked. There's various themes have different ways to display the format. That would be there, and it's totally dependent on the theme that you choose. But there we go. That's a post. So let's preview. Opens in a new tab. And here's our new blog post. And since I'm already logged in, let's leave a comment. Looks great. Thank you. Oops, my computer's talking to me. Sorry about that. Awesome. Post a comment. So now as the page refreshes, you'll see that the new comment is there. There's still the ability to add a comment. Oh, it was a preview. We can't do that in preview. We need to publish first. Apologize. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Okay, the post has been published, and so we're going to click View Post, go to the live website, and now we can comment since we're logged in. I cannot type today. Looks great. That's simple enough just to show you for this purpose. And there you go. Now we have a comment. Now there's the useful part of this. People build content on your website that is searchable for you by adding comments. They ask questions. It gives you an opportunity to interact, to talk to people. Maybe you can identify something that you can help them with. You know, they may share more information. You can ask questions. Engaging your audience with posts is ideal. You want to ask questions if you can. Get that dialogue rolling. It just keeps adding more and more content for search engines to find. Posts are great in this format. Let's look at one more thing on the side. You'll see now the new category, network marketing, uncategorized, and that's pretty much it. It is that simple. Thanks for joining in. Subscribe to YouTube. Check us out on Twitter, Thrive Experience without the E on the end, and on Facebook, SucceedOnline.Us. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.